Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Simply Kiwi. Today I have this lovely abstract design, and what I love about this particular mani is the sheer colors of the orange and the yellow and the red, and with that stamped image just makes it pop. So if you like nail art or anything nail art related, please consider subscribing. Also click that notifications bell so you know when I upload new content to the channel. So let's get started. I had so much fun doing this mani, and I hope you like it as well. If you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this with your polished family and friends. I'll see you in the next video, and remember to allow the mani to take hold and watch the magic appear.